Excuse me. Excuse me. Is there a reason you had behind this bush with the ski mask on?
This bush, no, I was...
I'll tell you, just stand where you are. Remove the back. Oh, yeah. It's the guy we've been looking for. Say, well, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Turn around. Okay. Just listen to the sound of my voice. Okay. One step to the left. Okay. Now, back, straight back until I tell you to stop. Okay, stop. Okay. Hands behind your head. Okay, drop down on both knees. Okay, right hand behind your back.
Shoot the motherfucker!
Okay, we gotta skip this. All right, give me your other hand behind your back. All right. Hey, waist. That's it. What's your name?
Chris.
Chris. Chris what?
Chris Walsh.
Okay, Chris. Okay, I'm obligated by law to let you know that you are under arrest. Okay, stand up for me. Okay. And anything you say or do will be used against you in a court of law. Okay, now you're gonna come with me, walk to the building. Okay, all right, go. Okay.
Whoa, wait. Why you arresting? Why you arresting him,
for? He's innocent, man. He's innocent. He didn't do nothing wrong. Come on.
This is police business, okay? Police business, okay? Now, if you want to interfere, you will be arrested for interfering with the police officer. Okay?
That's a load of bullshit.
Okay.
He's innocent. He's innocent.
Just hold tight, Chris. Stay tight.
You seeing this?
man.
Are you seeing this?
All right, move now.
My lawyer.
Stay where you at. Don't move. Move again, we'll take you down. Right where you at. Okay, now, put you in the car. Okay. Turn around.
Man,
Watch your head. Watch your head. Breathe in. All right, sit up. Okay. All right. Stay right there. Don't move.